In front of me is Motorola E6 Play, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select display, and here just click on advanced. Now select sleep and just pick the preferred option, so you can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5, 10 minutes or even 30 minutes. I will go with 5 minutes, and that's it. As you can see, screen timeout has been changed, and from now on your display would fall asleep after 5 minutes of inactivity. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.